There's a wind from the east, it's a salt water breeze, rolling in gentle beneath the full moon. From the castle on high to the harbor below, the lights of the trawlers in soft Yorkshire glow. Scarborough by the sea, my heart belongs to thee, where the gulls call free and the tides agree. Oh, I'll wander your sands till the waves take me back home to Scarborough by the sea. There's laughter and music down on South Bay shore, the scent of the fish and the chips by the door, arcades and donkeys, the cries of delight, watching all the lovers or chasing the light. Scarborough by the sea, my heart belongs to thee, where the ghosts call free and the tides agree. Oh, I'll wander your sands till the waves take me back home to Scarborough by the sea. When the storm clouds gather over Castle Hill and the wind through the ruins grows quiet and still, I'll remember your beauty, both fierce and kind, the jewel of the coast that I left behind. Now wherever I roam in the sea's loud hum, I dream of the lighthouse and the soft Yorkshire drum, of the waves on the rocks and the far north pier, and the sound of old Scarborough calling me near. Scarborough by the sea,